Hi, good afternoon. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po at nandito po kayo ngayon. So on behalf of the defense team, I just wanted to introduce the team. Beside me is Attorney Mark Binluan. Ito rin po si Attorney Carlo Joaquin Narbasa, Attorney David Gola, Attorney Linton Well, and Attorney Carol Orseo. So we just wanted to officially state that the Vice President through Council has filed her answer just a few minutes ago before the Senate, sitting as an impeachment court. Basically, this is without prejudice, of course, to the pending Supreme Court petition that we filed. And malamang ang tanong nyo is, ano yung laman ng answer? So, I can only talk about it in broad strokes. We don't want to discuss the details, but the answer sets forth basically the defenses of the Vice President, as well as, of course, yung mga nakikita nating constitutional infirmities, procedural defects, and what we feel na substantively deficient yung mga allegations laban sa ating Vice Presidente. Sa ngayon po, humingi rin ako ng paumanhin sa inyo, sa mga networks, lalo na hindi po muna kami magpapaunlak ng mga interviews until such time as pre-trial or trial begins. No? Kasi we also want to respect the Senate, and according to the rules, the impeachment rules of the Senate, in fact, under paragraph 18, pinagbabawalan po ang mga parties na to discuss yung merits ng kaso publicly. So kami naman po, ay susunod lang po kami at magpapaunlak naman po kami lalo na sa trial. In fact, si Attorney Binluan and si Attorney Narbasa will be helping me with spokesperson duties para po lahat mapagbigyan. At from day to day, magpapaunlak naman kami ng interview para po maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan kung ano yung mga nagaganap sa bawat araw-araw ng trial. But sa ngayon po, talagang, I guess, pasensya na po talaga, hindi muna kami magpapa-interview, no? Whether it be print or sa networks. Well, of course, first and foremost, ang gusto natin ay sana ma-dismiss, no? Itong articles of impeachment laban sa kanya. But kung ano man ang mangyari, handa naman kaming depensahan ng ating Vice Presidente. So with that, I think I just want to make this as informal as possible. Hindi naman to formal press con. So siguro po kung meron kayong mga tanong, pwede niyo po na kaming tanungin. Susubukan namin sagutin.
Saan na po si Vice President Sara?
Okay naman po siya. Business as usual lang po parati ang ating Vice Presidente. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yung trabaho niya.